Sanmonan. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. We are back again at Ingane Zestembo season 3 episode 4. We see here Snake coming to Umakhumalo thengele ne gift. Hi, we're liking this Usne in this season because she is showing Ukbana she is getting matured. She's trying to get along with everyone. Last time she invited Umpilo and a young sister Ukbana. She wants them to sit down and talk so that they can make peace. This time around she went to Umawake with Umakhumalo. When we say Umawake, we don't mean Bana she is Umagasne biological, but she is one of the wives, Umakhumalo. We can see Lana Usne, she came in peace and she apologized as an adult kuMakhumalo achukbana ngizela uzoxolisa for yonke lento lonke lenyumfunyumfu that esake saqegana ngayo njengabantu abazana, which shows like maturity on ecaleni likasne. Like this is giving good vibes energy, this is giving positive energy kwelake icala Usne. And Umakhumalo being Umakhumalo, this woman, she's such a good person. She welcomed Usne just like any other child Kamseleku. She's showing love, she's giving advice, she's giving future advice, she's giving success advice. Ukbanasne, find a job, work hard, don't overspend imali at the groove, and make your kids to be proud of you as their mom. She's like, no one hates you, and nakhona angeke uphinde uzizale utsho-ke ukubana xa sendizalwa okwesibini ngifuna ukubana ndingabiwa ngakamseleko. You just water the grass of where you are. Like I love what is Sneh doing in this season. Ukubana she is like cultivating herself, people around herself. Uyatsho kuMakhumalo ukubana ayi benu-worried nyani ukubana soze nifumane ibhayi njengoba ndanivile ukubana hayi ngathi kunomkhwenyana osekhona sekazimisele. Like we can see uMakhumalo, like she's so happy ngegift uSne amphathele yona aze atsho ukubana hayi uyandazi ukubana ndizithandela into ezinhle. She bought this small black bag that looks very cute. It looks very cute. Shem, like at the end of the day bayasazi istyle sikaMaKay ukubana hayi umawethu uMaKay uyababa nje, everything has to be top notch. Everyone knows Umakhumalo ukubana hayi when it comes to fashion she does not disappoint. She always eats up and leaves no crumb. So yeah, it's a good thing ukubana Usne, she's like pegging away and fixing every little relationship that she has around herself, her moms, her siblings, because last time they went out for lunch, Mpumelelo also like catching up as siblings. This is actually like a 5-star Usne, like big up to Usne. Like give her a drink, Nkosiyam, give her flowers. For once now she's doing things to actually keep the positive vibe and have everyone happy around her. I love this for Sneh. I love it, honestly. I love it. Let me know, what do you guys think? Ukbana, is Sneh showing maturity the way she is handling everything that is happening around here now? Like she's fixing every relationship with those that she feels like, hi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.